After yo-yoing for a while, the yo-yo string might begin to twist in on itself, causing problems during yo-yo tricks, especially slack tricks. This is because the yo-yo string is made of two smaller threads of string, twisted tightly as one string. Over time, doing certain tricks and even just winding and throwing the yo-yo will change the number of twists in the string, creating string tension. There's two kinds of string tension: tight string tension, where the two strands are wound close together, and loose string tension, where the two strands are wound further apart. The easiest way to check your string tension is throw the yo-yo, pinch an inch above the yo-yo, and bring your hands close together. Now, if your string twists in on itself, your string tension is problematic. The easiest way to fix this, no matter how tight or loose the string is to take the yo-yo string off your middle finger and let it hang by the yo-yo directly. This will naturally untwist and remove any string tension. To further remove tension, pinch tightly around the top of the yo-yo string and slowly slide your way down to get rid of any last small twists. If you test your string tension again, you should notice that the strings barely twist together at all. This means your string tension is neutral, not too tight or loose. Ideally, you want to maintain neutral string tension as much as possible while you do your tricks, especially for tricks which involve slack in the string.